Okay, this client of mine, they do security systems, and when they started this new process with video verification alarms, they asked me about ranking for it. So, video verification alarm systems was their main keyword. They're here local. So, for this long tail keyword, I say long tail, 1,000,007, this is them. They're also in the first two spots. Okay. Now, if we break this down into a shorter keyword, they're still here at 1 and 2. Break it down further. They're still here at 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just wanted to show that as another proof of what I've been doing with Ranking Factory Revolution.